Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Marilyn Manuel, ma'am, single, 28 years old, and the first child in the family, and then a college graduate also, ma'am.
Do you have any experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I worked before in Lebanon and in Hong Kong.
What is your main duties in Lebanon?
My main duties in Lebanon are washing, cleaning the house, cooking, and taking care of a child.
How old is the child?
She is 4 years old, ma'am.
How do you take care of this 4-year-old child?
First, help her take a bath, change the clothes, prepare the food, prepare her things, ma'am. And while she is sleeping, I will do my household chores like cleaning, washing, and cooking, ma'am.
Okay. You say that you work in Hong Kong before. What is your main job in Hong Kong?
My main job in Hong Kong are washing, cleaning the house, taking care of a newborn baby, and car washing, ma'am.
How do you take care of this newborn baby?
In taking care of a newborn baby, first, prepare the milk, change the diaper, change the clothes, and when she is sleeping also, I will do my household chores like washing, cleaning, and cooking, ma'am.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong again?
I want to go back in Hong Kong again, ma'am, to help my family and to earn more money.
Any message to your prospective employer?
Hi, sir, ma'am. If you will hire me as your maid or nanny, I will do my very best to do my job well, ma'am. Please hire me, ma'am, and I will see you in Hong Kong soon, ma'am. Bye-bye, ma'am. Okay na, ma'am?